Kicks. Let's see your kicks. Ones you should know. Bent out. Make sure you're finishing that at the back. From the back. Bent out. How'd you get that into an owl? Bent out. Turn it. Okay. Good side. Good. Bent out. Turn it. Ging. Okay, martello. Hammer, you can do it from the back. And there. Do you see how I turn that foot, yeah? This one that's standing on. Back. Ging. This time, into the cartwheel. So from the back, martello, tip it, across the top. Ging. Ochr arall, the other side. Martello, up. And go. Good. Ging. So sometimes you might do it from the front as well. Front, kick, owl. Yeah, eto, ochr yma, i'r front, martello, dros y top. Da iawn. Ging. Same thing with Medj French, everyone knows that one. Front, that's the kick. Yeah? Make sure when you do just the kick, stop at the front. Okay, with the owl, this time it goes right round, up. Yeah? Use the kick to get you up. Eto, kick, wrong, cover your coes. Cover your coes, that means lift the leg, yeah? Okay. Abja high. That's the kick. Normally you can choose where you finish. Abja high. Yeah? With the owl, you go here, abja high, like we did in the sequence, in the armpit, up, and change. Here we go, watch. Always looking. Medj Costa, just the kick, turn, see, look like that picture behind me, finish. Yeah? Check the other side. So sometimes you want to step into it, yeah? But make sure you can see before you kick. Okay, with the owl, turn, don't put that leg down, tip. So my leg lifts into the owl. Cartwheel, owl, yeah? Here we go, heads up, troch, spear, kick, owl. Always landing 1, 2, landing on in, da. We've also done shapa from here. Bring this in close, shapa, and back. There's a straight push kick, yeah? This is the kick, and back. Into owl, kick, you're already halfway into that cartwheel. Yeah? See where I can choose where to put my feet. Trauma, shapa, glanio, in, down. Down the spear. Yeah? So when you finish, you have to look. You always have your arms up. You could try the same thing with a turning shapa. Show you on this side. So I start to turn here, and I look, but then this leg comes straight. Okay? Ging. 2 more of them. Shapa giratorio, turning shapa. Looking. Shapa. Okay, we've also done shapa de costa, which is when same kick you look underneath your body. So you go here, but I turn and look underneath my leg here. Then I'm going 1, 2. Yeah? It's hard to do slow. Looking, looking, 1, 2. So you're halfway there into the cartwheel already, aren't you? Yeah? Shapa de costa. Look, 1, 2. You go. Siapit Costa. Good.